Recently, a stock that everyone had been talking about took a serious hit. The peak probably came when the media started running stories about employees becoming millionaires through company stock plans. Even people who had never invested $1 were suddenly talking about this company. One trader I know said that even his mother told him, "You'd be stupid not to buy this stock." When I started hearing things like that, I figured the top was getting close. Then came the sell-off. Panic everywhere. On X, I'm already seeing beginners posting that they've given up and sold everything. That usually means a bounce may not be far away. But here's what I always think. If this kind of decline completely wipes you out, you're doing something terribly wrong. There are periods when almost anybody can make money in the stock market. People mistake those periods for proof that making money is easy and guaranteed. They jump in without understanding risk. They ignore position sizing. They feel this strange need to use every dollar they can borrow or invest. And before they know it, they're holding positions that make absolutely no sense. I don't feel sorry for that. The market doesn't care about excuses. And society usually doesn't either. People see it as someone who gambled away their money. Someone who lost their retirement savings. Someone who destroyed the family's savings account. The consequences can become devastating. The sad reality is that some people completely lose control of their lives over this. They take enormous risks with little knowledge, no training, and a casual attitude toward investing. That's why I keep saying this. If you're going to participate in the markets, risk management comes first. I don't care if people are excited about index funds, retirement accounts, or the latest investment trend. Just remember this. In 1929, the New York stock market eventually fell about 87%. Imagine the market dropping to a fraction of its value. That kind of collapse has happened before. If you're investing a small amount every month for decades and truly plan never to sell, that's one thing. But many beginners fill their accounts to the limit and celebrate as if the gains will continue forever. They don't realize that markets can be brutally unforgiving. If this relatively small decline was enough to wipe out your capital, then the real problem wasn't the market. The problem was risk management.